Hello everyone, in this video I will review the Tap Mining app. The Tap Mining app is promoted as a mobile crypto mining platform, allowing users to rent cloud-based mining power and earn passive income. It's user-friendly for all levels and offers real-time profit tracking with strategy optimization. It offers several key features that make it appealing to users interested in mobile crypto mining. The platform handles all technical aspects automatically, allowing users to earn passive income without manual intervention. Additionally, it provides strategy optimization tools to help users improve their mining returns. However, users should be aware that the app may share certain data types. The Tap Mining app is easy to use for both beginners and pros, offering cloud-based mining with no need for costly hardware. It also provides real-time monitoring tools to track profits and improve strategies. However, it also has notable drawbacks. Free plans generate very minimal earnings, and significant profit generally require paid contracts. Some users have reported issues with delayed or difficult withdrawals, as well as slow or unresponsive customer support. Additionally, the app is not available in all countries, which limits accessibility for some potential users. In my opinion, Tap Mining may be legit for some, but mixed reviews mean users should research carefully and expect possible withdrawal issues. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.